Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay with Klarna on Amazon, a step-by-step process. Amazon does not directly accept Klarna at checkout, but there is a workaround. And that's exactly what I am going to show to you today. An important reminder, again, Amazon does not accept Klarna as a direct payment option. So instead, we will use Klarna's one-time virtual card. This card works like a temporary Visa card that Klarna generates for you. You can use it on most websites that accept Visa, including Amazon. Important note, the card expires after 24 hours. You can only spend the exact amount you set, and Klarna availability depends on your country. So to start, we are now at a checkout part in our Amazon. Okay, to start, we are now at the checkout of our Amazon. As you can see here, I'm about to input some credit card or debit card details. So while we are here, take note of the order total, such as the item price, taxes, and delivery fee. You will type this exact amount to Klarna, so double check it. $88. So don't place the order yet, just note of the amount. Now, open the Klarna app and create a virtual card. If this is your first time, you need to create a Klarna account by entering your phone number and email. So, let's now sign up. So, here is the Klarna dashboard. Go to Cards or the Klarna wallet, tap the Create One-Time Card. Enter the amount you noted from the Amazon and choose your payment plan. You actually have multiple payment plans. Pay in 4, which will split into 4 payments. Pay in 30 days or full payment if available in your region. Once confirmed, Klarna will generate a virtual Visa card showing the card number, expiration date, and CVV security code. This is what you'll be adding to Amazon. Now, let's go back to the Amazon checkout. Add the details to this part. Once you've added the details, add your card, and you'll now be able to use that as a default payment method or a payment method. Again, make sure that the total that you inputted in the Klarna website is correct or the exact amount. Now, once everything has been matched, place your order. Basically, Klarna handles the payment automatically. Once the order goes through, Klarna pays Amazon instantly on your behalf. Your Klarna payment schedule activates. You'll see the purchase inside the Klarna app. Klarna will remind you each installment is due. Remember, one-time card is only valid for 24 hours. If you don't use it, it will automatically expire. So after placing the order, you can go by your day by tracking your Amazon order, by checking the delivery status, go to your account, go to your orders, and track the package. Everything works like a normal Amazon order. And I guess that's about it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.